Hello and welcome to this first look at the brand new product from people at Honour Clothing. My name is Sol Davis and I'm here with
Bella Stanyer.
And today we're going to be taking a look at Honour's brand new mystery boxes.
Launched recently, Honour Clothing has put together this mystery box on latest item, which will be involving materials such as hosiery, PVC, leather and latex.
Obviously, as we're here today with Latex 24/7, we will, no surprise, be looking at the latex version of the mystery box.
Each box contains 2 to 6 items, so it's almost like having your personal stylist.
Now, obviously, these items may come as a package. You might have a full outfit in there, or you can kind of mix and match. They can be separate garments. Either way, you're going to have a whole new wardrobe. Everything from sleek, slim-fitted dresses to something that's a little bit more extravagant and out there.
Ranging for multiple sizes for both male and female, from the sizes small to extra large for female and small to double XL for male.
So the boxes can come as a subscription, which means that once every 3 months in the post will come one of these wonderful boxes. There's never been an easier way to kind of expand your wardrobe with brand new amazing latex kit. So this is perfect for somebody like me who's fairly new to latex. I wear a lot of leather stuff, I've got a lot of stuff from Honour already, but I haven't really worn an awful lot of latex in the past. So this is perfect for somebody who's a newbie like me, but also perfect for somebody who wears a lot of latex, such as Bella.
I do love my latex. I've been trying to get you into latex for a very long time.
Yeah.
And Honour is definitely a favourite of mine. So let's take a closer look at our mystery box. So let's see what's inside, shall we? So the feeling of this, it's quite weighty. So this is our £150 package. They also do a 200 and a 250 one. So yeah, let's see what we get. This is quite weighty. So by opening this up. Ooh. Now I am a fiend for red and black, and I feel like I've looked out quite well. Let's see what package this is. Now, I can already tell you're feeling this. Quite thick latex, which is what we like. You've never got that worry and concern about tears or trying to stretch over the body. You'll love a little bit of talcum powder. And the riveting is really nice. Stuck on quite well. So this nice little skirt, which we love a little accessory. It's quite short, so we love a little bit of a booty pop there. So that's one item. There's even more. We've got some accessories. We love the accessories. Inside, we've got some matching gloves. Here we go. The cute little bow. And for those ladies who like their nails nice and long, fingerless as well. So that's quite cute. And yeah, this looks like the main item of the box. Full on outfit. Have a little look, shall we? Oh, wow. Okay. Now this looks like leotard. Very nice. Let's move that, shall we? Very nice. Love this. We love a good zip. Because I don't know about you, when you're trying to really get into those latex outfits, having a zip can be quite handy. So again, straps are very thick, nice stretch to them. And the cut at the back, the zip goes all the way up, very flattering. So as you can see within this box, we have this leotard, our accessories, which are our gloves, and this gorgeous little skirt to go on top. So for $150, you have a full outfit. And don't know about you, but I definitely spend more than that when I'm looking and trial and erroring through. Certainly something I would like. And if you will go to those last minute sort of events where you don't know what to wear, this could be a nice little addition.
Right, so we're now in the latex. I'll be honest, it feels amazing. It's a lot more comfortable than I thought it would be. Not that I thought it wouldn't be comfortable, but putting it on...
Looks good on you.
Thank you. It fits really snugly. Now, price-wise, obviously the men's package is £250 to buy. It comes with both of these items in this case. Again, month by month is going to be different items of clothing. The individual prices, if you were to buy these as two separate things, is £274.99. So instantly you're saving 24 quid, £25, which, let's face it, in this economy is always welcome.
You definitely want to save those pennies. And in this case, so obviously this would be the £150 package that you would get. Now, if you were to get these items individually, it would cost altogether £170. And if you're somewhat like me, that's also not including the post and packaging and 24-hour next day delivery that you would normally get if you're in a bit of a rush. Whilst with this, it's already on its way.
Now, having a look at this, obviously, I've seen you in latex fairly often.
He has.
I don't wear latex very often, so this is a brand new experience for me, but I've seen you in a lot of different latex outfit, and I've got to say...
What do you think?
Has to be one of, if not my favourite thing I've seen you in.
Fantastic.
It's amazingly, yeah, the red and black is absolutely your colours. It's almost as if they knew you. Yeah, it's perfect.
What? Yeah, and this is the first time I'm ever seeing you in latex, and wow, you are giving me Ken doll vibes. This is a whole look, and I'm loving it. I love how tight it is, but also very flattering for the physique, especially with someone like you who struggles with very top-heavy, tiny waist, whilst with latex, it fits nice and snug, showing off those muscles, which definitely is flattering for you.
And also, I think mix and match wise, it'd be perfect. Something like these jeans, these latex jeans, you put them with anything. You almost have a smart shirt, you have a smart blazer.
Oh, definitely. I can see this as like an underneath a blazer.
Yeah.
Look for like something quite suited.
I mean, the top would work with anything. It would work with jeans. It would work with other leather stuff. I mean, mix and match your king gear, guys. It always looks good.
As you can see, even with these little accessories, something cute with like a floor-length dress maybe, or with this sort of top, with this leotard. Obviously, you can have like different skirt if you want something a bit longer, something with less of a peep.
And I've got to say, I haven't actually noticed this till a minute ago. Little bows on here are adorable.
Mm-hmm.
I saw them when you were putting them on, but I didn't clock the bows. There's a
Oliver really good with adding that little bit of accessory and having that ruffle and something a little bit different that doesn't necessarily mean tight.
Now, when it comes to putting them on and off, obviously, with this being my first time, I was a little bit apprehensive about how easily I'd be able to get into it. Again, I'm not the most easy shape to fit into clothing. I'm broad, I'm short, stuff doesn't really fit very easily. So I was a little bit worried about how I'd be able to get it on. But I'll be honest, it's super stretchy. It's way more durable than I expected it to be. I was nervous about pulling it on in case I accidentally tore it. No chance. It's really thick. It's really good quality latex.
Really good stretch. Like, again, like you said, we have to get it over these shoulders, but straight away, you're not the most flexible of person, but you managed to do it nearly all by yourself.
Yeah.
Just a little bit of a tug. But yeah, everything was really thick. There's no tear, no worry about, especially ladies with your nails. Nothing worried about that. So, question is, would we recommend Honour Clothing mystery boxes? Absolutely.
I mean, the quality of the clothing is just undeniable. It feels amazing.
And by getting a mystery box, you wear something you wouldn't necessarily choose for yourself.
So head over to honourclothing.com and check out their wide range of mystery boxes.
Don't forget to also check out their vast array of other latex garments and accessories.
And to find out more about the other gorgeous unboxings, click the link in the description box below.